we are going to represent a video of Toycathon 2021. As our Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Union Minister for WCB and Textile Smriti Irani have jointly launched Toycathon 2021. Today's $1 billion toy market, which is involving innovative toys of our country. They want the children to represent the old toys to be reformed. So 33 crore students are being given the chance to represent themselves. So here the minister also have launched the Toycathon portal that conceptualized innovative toys based on the Indian value system, which inculcate the positive behavior and good values among the children. So here today we have presented some of the toys of our students. They have taken a simple toy. If you see this is a toy which is only a value of 10 rupees. With this toy they have reformed it, our Indian culture, how the Indian values have been portrayed through this toy. So the children, they have decorated this toy into a widow who is getting married. So children even presented widow remarriage, that is child marriage, and sati system, and also they have shown the total village life over the past history. And even the children, they have portrayed the image how the modern history, how the present world has been displayed. Here even the children, they have designed Gunjan Saxena and Savitri Bai, the one who has introduced women's education, and even we have Kalpana Chawla, famous, many things are there which we want to display. So here the children have taken a keen interest in explaining the Indian values, Indian custom, traditions of the past. So I would like to heartily thank our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because he has given the chance for each and every children to bring up their talents so that they can bring their way of thinking, how they want to portray our Indian history and culture. So please do watch this video, and I would like once again I would like to thank Toycathon organizers for giving this opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Hello everyone, I am Niranjan, son of Raghavendra Kulkarni, studying in class 8th from Srimati Madhavamma B. Patil CBSE School, Chitapur. Today I am here to present a video on women empowerment. Women empowerment is nothing but creating a power in every individual for their lives, society and communities. This is a doll which we have reformed into a widow, and this is a doll which we have reformed into the child remarriage. This took place in the past, but in future we have classified them into many great women. They are first Indian woman who went to the space, Kalpana Chawla, and first Miss World woman, Aishwarya Rai, and the first woman who started education for the women were Savitri Bai, and the first Indian pilot woman who fought in the Kargil war was Gunjan Saxena. Thank you. And the next topic of Sati system will be given briefly introduction by Shifa.
Thank you, Niranjan, for giving me this opportunity.
Now I would like to hand over this toy to Shifa for explaining Sati system.
So it's a simple toy that we have dressed up like a widow. So let me explain what is Sati system. Sati system is if a husband dies in the funeral, the people would praise that the woman also should die in that funeral, like this. So this system was done in the olden days. So now it has been totally banned in the India. Now next I would like to call our next teammate Rahat for the next topic, child marriage.
Thank you, Shifa, for giving me this opportunity.
Now I would like to hand over this toy to Rahat.
So this is the toy which we have reformed into a child marriage. This was the ritual in olden days when the girl attained 10 years old, so she was getting married. So this is a social practice. Child marriage is declared
illegal according to provision and prohibitions of child marriage. This was the act which is named as PCAM in 2006. So this law also seek to the prohibition of child marriage. So this was information about child marriage. So next I would like to call Aditya to give information about widows remarriage.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity.
Now I am handovering this toy to Aditya.
Now this toy we have dressed like a widow, and the widow is dressed like a in marriage widow marriage. What is widow marriage? Suppose you think that there was a couple living in a village, and you think that husband dies, and now woman must marry another person. This is known as widow marriage. And the Hindu Widow Marriage Act. The Hindu Widow Marriage Act was enacted on 26 July 1856, legalized the remarriage of all Hindu widows in jurisdictions of India under East India Company rule. It was drafted by Lord Dalhousie, and it is passed by Lord Canning before the Indian Rebellion of 1857. Still also widow marriage is still going in some villages. Thank you.
Myself Saujanya, today I am reforming this simple toy into Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was born an American astronaut, engineer, and the first woman of Indian to go into space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. Thank you. Myself Tripti, I am reforming this simple toy into Gunjan Saxena, the first woman fly into the compact zone. The first woman officer undergoes the jungle and the snow. First Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena, born 1975, is an Indian Air Force IAF officer and the former helicopter pilot. She is the only woman to be a part of the Kargil War, making her the first woman IAF officer to go to the war. Also listed as first woman to fly in a compact zone. Despite facing a reformation, she fulfilled her dream and served the country in the Kargil War. Thank you.
By concluding that it is now well-known fact that the issue of women's empowerment for the positive change in the transformation of the existing unequal society is more crucial and more important. So far, women's role as a mother, homemakers, wives, and sisters has well known but their role in shifting the entire power relations of a country is a modern concept. Thank you.